Taragarh, that mosque thing there, and there is the bike, and see the view. Sun has Hello everyone, good morning. Biker92 here. So it's been almost a month since I've gone for a ride. My last ride was to Daman, Mumbai, India Bike Week, and let's go for a short ride. And where? So let me show you. Right now I am at my terrace, and this is the view. Let me show you the place where I'm going. Just wait. Guys, seeing that mountain. Let me zoom it out for you. Yeah, that one. That one. I'm going there. It's almost 9 kilometers from here. Name of that place is Taragarh. And so let's go for a ride. So I'm riding my Harley today. It's been more than a month since I've rode her, so I thought why not today. So going for a short ride. Caesar playing with his friends. He has Pulsar, Activa, Bullet. So let's go for a ride. Taragarh, and this area is known as Ajanagar, and I will show you So this is only the half part which I have covered, which you have seen, and there is the Prithviraj Smark that way, and there is the main Taragarh, that mosque thing there, and there is the bike, and see the view. The sun has come out, and see that amazing view. And here we reach the highest point of Ajmer, Taragarh. There is the mosque. Let's take blessings from here only. Let me give you a small introduction to my bike. So guys, this is the Harley Davidson Iron 883. It has a 883cc engine, 2015 model. And what all are the accessories that are installed on this bike? First of all is the leg guard. Yes, the leg guard doesn't come on stock bike. Second is the pillion seat. Yes, this thing even doesn't come on stock bike. Rear foot pegs, side mounted Harley Davidson number plate and Vance 9 slip-ons, that antenna like thing whatsoever, and that white LED light, this one. So these all things are part of accessory. It has 883cc engine, air cooled engine. That's a negative point, because in the city time it's get heat up very fast. Even while coming to this place, the bike was getting heat. So how much mileage does it give? It gives around 9 to 10 in city traffic and 12 to 14 on highways. And one thing amazing about Harley is the sound. I will be heading back to my place, and hope you guys like this vlog.